Dear children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to start our second lesson, that is publishing. Do you know what is publishing? Today we have so many publications such as children's magazines, science magazines, and so on. You may have noticed that the contents of such publications are beautifully arranged. Each newspaper and magazine has its own page design. Look at our textbooks. The contents are given in the attractive manner. What are the features of the layout of each page? Same type of font size and color for headings. Another type of fonts, color and size for subheadings. Then uniform font size and color for the text. Isn't it? Here logical arrangements of paragraphs. Here we have to keep in our mind that while we are preparing an article or report, we have to do many editings on that document. So how we can prepare these editings or how we can prepare these documents for publishing? Here, let us use the software LibreOffice Writer. And you can, or you have studied how to arrange a paragraph one by one, isn't it? For arranging it, we know we have to select the paragraph. If it is in the case of paragraph, we have to select the paragraph, or if it is in the case of a heading or subheading, we have to select that headings, and we have to select the font size, then font type, then font color, etc. And here one difficulty is that if we have to change more subheadings or more headings, then we have to select it again and again, isn't it? So in this case, we can use or we can apply some techniques instead of this type of changing this fonts, font color, font size, etc. What are the techniques, or how we can make attractive these headings or subheadings? Here we can use one of the technique, clone formatting. Then the other one is defining headings or select the heading styles. So firstly we are going to study about clone formatting. For making this document attractive, let us open bashir.ott document from the school resources folder. And first of all, we have to decide what are the changes we need to make or to made with these main headings or subheadings, etc. So firstly we have an idea about the editing, and after that we can use the or we can apply the techniques. Here first of all we are going to study about clone formatting. Then do you know what is clone formatting? Just I am explaining it. Clone formatting is a tool that is appear on the standard toolbar that is used for applying the format of a given text means we have to make changes. Firstly, we have to make changes on a text, and these changes or the what we had made, that changes we can apply to the other text also. For doing this, we can use this clone formatting. Okay, if there are several attributes as in the paragraph format, they can be copied by double clicking on the tool. You note that the point is how to use this clone formatting. First of all, we have to make changes. We have to make changes on subheading or subheading or whatever we need. And after that, select it and double click on the tool clone formatting in the standard toolbar. They can copy it by double clicking on the tool and applied to other text or object by holding the control key. Yes, after double clicking on the clone formatting tool, for which text we have to apply the style which had cloned. So hold on the control key and just drag through that heading or subheading. Understood? First of all, we have to select the subheading or heading, whatever we need, and make changes. Then select that heading and double click on the clone formatting tool. Then the mouse pointer will change in the form of a paint, or the clone tools symbol will be there. Then after that, which text we need to make change for the next time, or the what is the other text or the next text which we have to change. Yes, hold on the control key and you just drag through that heading or subheading. Then the others also we can do in the same method. Understood? Then here saying that select the first heading and make the changes one by one. Then try to copy the changes to other headings using the hints given below. Then let us watch through our video.